My name's Donald Avery. It seems like I have been a fixture at this annual conference, and it seems like it was just yesterday when I was negotiating with God, doing everything that I could to tell God that I wasn't good enough to be a preacher. And now to look back over the years and how far we have come, and I am truly a testimony to God's grace being more than marvelous and amazing, but God's grace is wondrous. I am thankful to the number of people along the way who saw more in me than what I saw in myself. Just to list a few, I'm particularly mindful of James Davison, of Robert Harrington, Phil Woodland, Benedict Galloway, Willie Poole, and there are just a few of us who are around left who can tell Willie Poole stories, and I am one of those people. But I am thankful for the way that they mentored me and always encouraged me to give my best and just really demanded that I would go forward. I am thankful for the things that God has done in spite of me over the years, even though people would tend to give me credit for it. It has not been about me. It has been about God and about the way that God can work in, through people, around people, and in my case, more times than not, in spite of me. And so I am thankful for the journey. I'm thankful as I stop now and remember the years and the places that I've served and the people who prayed for me in spite of myself, who loved me and forgave me along the way, and the marvelous way that God's grace is more than sufficient and has been sufficient for me. Thank you.